Oh! Hey, boss! Boss!
Nyala, bosku.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel. I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top. No limit, I don't play no gimmicks. I'ma take you to the clinic if you wanna taste it.
Tim evakuasi ya. Badai.